All rise. Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge's case number JVB 1065, McIntosh case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. McIntosh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I think she needs to pay child support.
Okay, just straight like that?
Yeah, straight. I want to get straight to the point. I just want nothing to do with it. I just want child support.
All right. Do you really know her? You just said like you don't want nothing to do with it, like you just met her yesterday.
Well, I thought I did.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, it started off like every other fairy tale, you know. Everything was hot, bad. Everything cooking good. Good loving. So we got a kid.
Okay.
We'll say, okay, so when the kid arrived, that kind of changed. You know, Dad got put on the back burner.
Did you catch that? Dad's already feeling pushed aside now that the baby is getting more attention. Parenting isn't a competition, but this situation brings up a key legal question. In custody and child support cases, courts don't just look at finances. Emotional involvement matters too. So, is Dad genuinely concerned about being present in the child's life? Or is something else driving his reaction? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Who do you think has the stronger case? So far, let's talk about it. Coming up next. After 6 years together, Dad suddenly feels like he's no longer a priority. Let's dive deeper.
And, you know, sometimes I'm not understanding. I say, what happened to Dad? You know, let the kid go to sleep or something. Don't just forget about me. So it was all about, you know, I got the baby. No. Put the baby to bed.
Well, you wanted to tend to the baby, right?
Yeah, what else I'm gonna do?
Well, not that much. Don't just forget about me.
I mean, it's
You know,
all
you
about
don't help
daddy.
around the house. You know, it's just
It's
all
a
about the
child,
baby. It's
though.
just all about the baby.
The baby don't
what
know
happened
better.
to baby?
Yeah, but you can't forget about daddy.
Exactly.
Forgot
What's the
about
baby
daddy.
gonna do? You an adult.
See, forget about it. See what I'm talking about?
It's a child.
Cannot forget about Dad. And once that's a baby. That baby sleep 8 hours a day.
No, still gotta feed the baby. I gotta make sure the baby's clothes and everything. There's a lot of work to put into taking care of a kid.
There really
You an
is.
adult, so you know how to take care of
I'm
yourself.
helping. She's not doing nothing by herself. I am also helping. So once I always give her a break, so I can get some daddy time, some us time. Get that back. You know, it was great at first, but it just.
You say at first, how long were y'all together?
6 years.
That's a long time to be together.
Yeah. But
Okay.
then the baby just popped up, and I'm like, you know, she forgot about me. And so I try to, you know, let me take care of the baby. Let me let you rest, so you can start back paying attention to me.
All right.
And that don't seem.
Do y'all still live together?
That don't.
When a baby enters the picture, life changes dramatically. But notice, Dad keeps asking, "What about me?" instead of, "How can I step up as a parent?" Meanwhile, Mom looks overwhelmed, possibly even facing postpartum depression. This is the point where many relationships hit rough waters. One partner is struggling emotionally, and the other feels neglected. But here's the big question. Does that justify launching into a custody battle or demanding support? Let's keep watching to see how this story develops. What's your take so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you.
That don't seem to.
Not anymore.
All right.
Not anymore.
Okay, how old is the child now? I'm assuming it's not a baby anymore.
The child's about 6.
6? Okay.
Yeah, had him right off, right, kind of early.
Okay.
And that kind of, I think that kind of threw it off a little bit by us having a kid so early, and it should have waited a little while. But hey, baby wanted to come, so baby's here now. So
So the baby wanted to come.
the baby wanted to be here. So, like I said, I help out to try to get, you know, give her a break or something. Maybe bring up some wine and cook for her every night. I don't like, you know, but it don't seem to. It's just like, I guess you're going to do that after, I don't know what you call it, after the baby's here, that's some kind of phase you go through.
Okay.
Where you're not paying attention to daddy.
Postpartum.
Yeah, what you said.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's serious. Postpartum is a serious thing to go through. So of
It
course
is.
it's going to be a
Nah, not
disconnect.
for 5 years.
How you going to tell a woman that postpartum is something that's terrible to go through? You never been through it. So how do you know?
Yeah, I'm waiting on that explanation too.
Please tell
Well,
me.
I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I help out to try to, you know, help out with the baby to try to understand what you're going through. That's why I try. That's why I
Can
try
we
to.
stop referring to this 6-year-old as a baby?
It's my
I
child.
try to take care of our child.
But you need to be able to tend to me and the child and try to understand where I'm coming from, because depression is a mental thing. You know, there's medication. Some people have suicidal thoughts. You didn't even know you never even tried to ask me what I was going through or how I even felt.
She makes a good point.
Okay, I'll
So
take that.
it takes a lot. It takes a lot for you to understand where I'm coming from. You can't just assume, okay, I'm not just trying to tend to you. I have to tend to my mental health and my child. That takes a lot of work.
But I can't read your mind. I don't know.
But you never tried to even talk to her, try to understand me from that point.
Did the two of you come here to waste my time?
I mean, he's the one that called it in here. I'm just here. I mean, he obviously wanted me to do something.
Obviously, and I'm just trying to get to what that
Wasting
something
both of our
is.
times.
I want full custody and I want child support.
Okay,
I don't get full
the
custody,
child live with you?
She's behind bars, and that's a major game changer. But let's break it down. Having a criminal record doesn't automatically mean losing custody. Family courts focus on one thing: what's best for the child. So the real question is, does this arrest actually affect her ability to be a responsible parent? Here's where it gets interesting. Dad seems more focused on airing her mistakes than showing he's the more capable caregiver. What do you think? Should past mistakes determine someone's parental rights? Let's talk about it in the comments.
This kind of between right about now. But I think I could take care of him better since she can't keep a job.
I've been with the kid longer, so I mean, I'm not working right now, so I'm at home with the kid all the time.
So if she's not working, she behind bars.
Wait a minute. Behind bar.
Yeah,
wait a minute, Mr. McIntosh. Let me move over here to her so I can hear her side of the story. What is this behind bars?
Well, because of how he's been feeling. Okay, he's been feeling neglected because I was having issues with depression and taking care of my kids. So he decided to step out. So, you know, me and my girl did some digging, and I found out he stepped out on me. So you know what? I had to find out where the girl went, where she worked at.
So you went and found his new girlfriend?
I her butt.
He did
I
not
sure
have to jump on her.
While she was at work?
I did. Because he's not about to play me after all this stuff I've been doing with his kid. He's not about to do that.
That's a little ratchet.
Yeah,
No
so
reason.
I did.
Mom discovered Dad cheated, so she tracked down the other woman. But here's where it spirals. Her reaction led to an assault charge. Yikes. From a legal standpoint, retaliation like this rarely plays in your favor. Instead of focusing on co-parenting, both parents are now locked in a toxic blame game. But the real issue, the child is stuck in the middle. Should personal drama like this influence custody decisions? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it.
There was no reason.
It's nothing
It
else
was
I can
uncalled
do.
for.
I did it.
So you have a case pending on you?
I do. Unfortunately, I do. But you don't cheat on me after all this work I've been putting in taking care of your child. You gonna cheat on me? No, it's not gonna fly.
Oh.
Well, what happened to the depression? What happened to all that? You can't
it's
take
in there.
what happened
That's
to all
one of
that?
the side
You gonna
effects.
fight my new
though.
girlfriend.
That's one of the side
Where's the
effects.
baby while you
though.
fighting?
That's one of the side effects.
That's a great
though.
question. What
Yeah, you
was the
fight
baby
with the
while
baby.
you were fighting?
Because I'm upset. I'm mad, and then you're not even
And y'all
trying
have
to
me
make
saying,
me
baby,
feel
what
better.
was the
Where
child
was the
while you
child
were
while you were
fighting?
fighting my girlfriend?
Oh, that was taken care of. My sister was watching the
Your
kid.
sister?
She was.
Was she in jail with you?
No, she's watching the kid, and she bailed me out.
Oh.
She was there for me. You
Her
weren't.
sister bailed her out.
You were there. She was there
sister
for
was
me.
there.
So I guess
for her,
you talk
you
to your
weren't.
sister. You won't talk to me.
Because you don't
talk
even
to your
try
sister,
to.
but you can't talk to
You don't
me.
even try. I tried to talk to you.
It seems like you guys can't really talk to each other without getting into
Obviously
it.
not, because you don't even
No.
try to listen to
I'll
me.
go back to
No.
my original
Yeah.
question. So who does the child stay with majority of the
Me.
time?
He stays with me, Your Honor.
Okay, so you said that the baby was better off with you because she has a assault case.
She got a assault case.
But she didn't
can't
do it in
keep a
front of
job.
the-
She can't keep a job.
How
Okay,
can I
what do
keep
you
a
do
job
for a
when I'm taking care of
living?
kids?
I'm in the entertainment business.
What does that mean?
I produce.
Yeah, he
What are you
all right.
producing?
I got several artists I'm trying to produce right now in the music business. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, late night.
Okay.
Produce.
Have they already produced some music?
that's kind of iffy right now, but I think they're gonna be okay.
And what kind of money are you making?
I'm making about 85,000.
Okay. All right, and you said you're unemployed right now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to your job?
I had to quit because I was taking care of the kid full time.
Okay, here comes the moment of truth. Dad is asking for child support. But let's look at the facts. He's pulling in $80,000 a year while mom is unemployed and the primary caregiver. Legally, child support is designed to assist the parent who's doing the majority of the raising, not to flip the script for financial gain. And guess what? The judge sees right through it Dad's case is falling apart?